Duol mar weche apaya pachoka Kenya Roads Board ochako chenro mar rango kendo yango apeyni ma masira thoro timore kor gwenge ma pachoka. Duol no yango ni chenro mar kama geto yango kenge ma inyalo tigo e rakruok gi masiche mag apeyni. Lipot yango ni maromo ji 4,000 wito ngimagi ka okalo masira mar apaya pachoka. Director duol mar KRB Mai lero ni chenro no ochakore gi gwenge mag Mombasa ka ochomo Malaba gigeno chwale kor gwenge mamoko. Bende gilero ni dwaro nitiere mondo ji obed kicha anyato kinde mar skuku ka chiel gi jiwo dwaro mar mondo med ber chal mar apeyni e thiro masiche makamagi.
The reason we are doing this is because of the fatalities that we are getting from road accidents countrywide. It is alarming when you hear, like now, within 6 months, we've lost over 3,000 lives. It is something to worry about. And because we oversee the road network in Kenya, it becomes our business. We must come and see how we can support with the resources we have. We are looking at the whole design and identifying the black spots. And then coming up with recommendations on how some sections can be improved so that these fatalities can come down.
The hospital has a 2-bed capacity ICU, but we are aspiring to have a bigger capacity of closer to 15 beds. The building is on course, but we are also expecting the county government of Nakuru to assist us in terms of equipping, and also appealing to Kenya Roads Board. We can chip in because they have also assisted us in getting some orthopedic beds for our orthopedic department and some other orthopedic equipment that are assisting our orthopedic surgeons.